What's the meaning of auk? Auk. Auk.
Auk. Auk. The word auk refers to a type of seabird that belongs to the family Alcidae. These birds are characterized by their unique physical features, such as their short wings, stocky build, and webbed feet, which make them excellent swimmers and divers. Unfortunately, several species of auk have become extinct due to overhunting and human activity. Today, only a few species remain, including the puffin and the common murre, which can be found in the colder waters of the North Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Overall, the auk is an important and fascinating part of the natural world.